Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to add a lookup source in Airtable. I'll show you this on the web version. Head to your Airtable home screen and open the base you want to work in. Once your base loads, find the table where you want the lookup field to appear. This is the table where you'll see the pulled in data. At the top of any column in that table, click the plus button to add a new field. The field configuration panel opens on the right. In the field type drop-down menu, scroll down through the list or type lookup to find it quickly, then click on Lookup. A configuration window opens with several options to set up. Now you need to choose your lookup source. Under the section that says Select Lookup Source, click the drop-down icon. You'll see a list of your linked record fields. These are the fields that connect your current table to other tables in your base. Choose the linked record field that connects to the table containing the data you want to bring in. Once you've selected your source, the next drop-down appears below. Click the icon under the field you want to look up section. This drop-down shows you all the fields from that linked table. Pick whichever field contains the specific data you want to display in your lookup. It could be text, numbers, dates, or any other field type. If you need to filter which records show up, scroll down and toggle on the option that says Only include linked records from that meet certain conditions. When you turn this on, conditional filter options appear where you can set rules, for example, only show tasks where status equals complete, or only products where stock is greater than 0. Right below that, you can also toggle on limit the number of items shown if you want to cap how many lookup values display in each cell. When you enable this, a number input field appears where you set your maximum. When everything looks right, click the Create Field button at the bottom of the window. The configuration window closes, and your new lookup field appears in your table with data automatically pulled from the linked records. The lookup field updates automatically whenever the source data changes, so you don't need to refresh anything manually. If your lookup field shows up empty, that usually means no records have been linked yet. Just click into the linked record field in any row and connect the records you want. You can also edit the lookup configuration later by clicking the field's drop-down menu and selecting Customize Field Type if you need to adjust your settings. Thanks for watching.